Hi, it's Jaylene from WTI, and let's learn how to make some slime together. So I love that this slime kit comes with everything you could possibly need to make slime. It comes with 2 of everything, a mixing bowl, and even instructions on how to make slime. So my little sister loves making slime, so today she decided to make a fruit slime. So for that, you're going to use clear glue, add some water and detergent, and then you're going to add some fun colors. She chose orange, and then decided to add some yellow food coloring. Now, once you've added everything, you want to give it a good mix to make sure everything is incorporated and your slime come together by now and have this consistency. Now, the fun part is adding the fruit slices, and now my sister is just giving everything a good mix to make sure all the fruit slices are incorporated, and now you can have some fun playing with the slime. Now, once you're done creating your slime masterpiece, these little containers are perfect to store away the slime in. So whether you're new to slime or looking for a fun gift to give to someone who loves slime, I think they'll really enjoy this slime kit. It's really fun and easy and lets you be as creative as you want, and that's my point of view.